In this video, we listed the 5 best video intercom systems on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anjielosmart 5-in-1 Video Intercom. The Anjielosmart Video Door Phone System offers advanced features for smart home security. With a 1080p resolution and a color CMOS camera, this system provides clear and detailed video footage. It includes a color touch screen display with a hands-free answering mode and supports multiple access control functions such as fingerprint recognition, inductive card, password, and Chuya App Smart Life integration. The system is equipped with a metal doorbell, waterproof design, and wireless connection for easy installation and wall mounting. It also features a 148 viewing angle, 1:2 video door phone configuration, and support for the Chuya Smart Home platform. Powered by DC 12V 2A or 220V, and available with EU, US, AU, and UK plug options, this system is designed for seamless integration into smart homes. Originating from mainland China under the brand name Anjielosmart, it is certified with CE and offers a comprehensive and secure smart home interface. Number 2. MOUNTAINONE 7-inch Video Intercom System. The MOUNTAINONE Video Doorbell System, model number SY816MJK, offers a comprehensive and secure solution for home security. With a color CMOS camera and a resolution of over 420 TV lines, it provides clear and detailed video footage. The system supports various unlock methods including monitor, password, RFID card, and remote control. It features a 92 viewing angle, a 7-inch color display screen, and a hands-free answering mode. Designed for easy installation with wall mounting, the system is waterproof, powered by DC 15V or 220V, and utilizes wired connection technology. It also supports smart home interfaces and complies with CE, FCC, RoHS, KC, PSE, and WEEE certifications. Originating from mainland China under the brand name MOUNTAINONE, this video doorbell system ensures a high level of security and convenience, with support for night vision and positive customer reviews. Number 3. Anjielosmart Touch Screen Video Intercom System. The Anjielosmart Video Door Phone System offers a high-quality and secure solution for smart home security. With a 1080p resolution and a color CMOS camera, it provides clear and detailed video footage. The system supports inductive card access control, a 140 viewing angle, and hands-free answering mode. It features a 7-inch color touch screen display and is designed for wireless installation with wall mounting. Additionally, it is waterproof and compatible with the Chuya Smart Home platform. Powered by 12V or 100V 240V, and available with EU, US, AU, and UK plug options, this system is suitable for seamless integration into smart homes. Originating from mainland China under the brand name Anjielosmart, it is certified with RoHS and promises a high level of security and convenience. Number 4. ZHHayway Video Intercom System. The ZHHayway Video Intercom System, featuring a 7-inch color touch screen display, offers a reliable and convenient solution for home security. With a CMOS color camera and a 100 viewing angle, it provides clear video footage and supports hands-free answering mode. The system is designed for wired installation with wall mounting, and it is equipped with 2-channel zone input. It is waterproof and powered by AC 110-240V or 12V1A, suitable for integration into smart homes with Chuya Smart Home platform compatibility. Made of metal and plastic, the system ensures durability and security. Originating from mainland China under the brand name ZHHayway, it offers analog technology and is designed to meet the needs of modern home security. Number 5. HIKVISION KIS604 Video Intercom KIT. The HIKVISION Intercom System, model number DSKV8113WME1CDSKH6320WTE1, offers a comprehensive and high-tech solution for home security. With a 7-inch color touch screen display and a horizontal viewing angle of 124 and vertical viewing angle of 75, it provides clear and detailed video footage. The system supports inductive card access control and is waterproof, making it suitable for outdoor use. It operates on IEEE 802. 3AF standard PO 12 VDC power and consumes 10 W. Designed for wired installation with surface or flush mounting, it features for zone inputs and a 1/3-inch CMOS color camera. The system is compatible with smart home interfaces and is certified with CE and FCC. Originating from mainland China under the brand name HIKVISION, it utilizes digital technology to ensure a high level of security and convenience.